Okay, let's talk about image menu that is turned off. It has some of tools that are useful when you insert texture behind your UV. From this head, we simple create an UV, and then you have to be in one of these components. Make sure that and UV packed are automatic or turned on, and automatically create UV. But you can see the image texture are gray out because you have to assign a texture to that. If you go to the texture, you can see we have a different texture. UV map, you can see it does not turn on because it is an default UV map. You have to insert a texture. For assigning the texture also, you need to create a material. You can make it editable if you want, but assign to the head. And double click to that, and you have to insert a texture from here. You can load image from here, and you can load one of your image that you created in the Pormi AI. It's an interesting tool. You can insert here. And now you can see it inserted here. You can see on top of your head. But why or not you can see here? Because you have to go to the texture, and this is your image. Any image that you inserted, you can insert here. Now you can see our image layer turn on. You can change the texture size of your color. Here you can make it HD, 1K, 2K, 8K, any resolution that you want. And this is on sampling. If you want to resize your texture, it will be sample and remake it. Nice. But I suggest you can, it's for body paint, but you can insert in texture here. But you can resample it. Canvas size, you can change the canvas size symmetrically in any direction that you want. You can see here is a canvas size. Or you can rotate texture in any degree that you want. Boom. Or you can flip your texture. It means with color do you want alpha, color, this color. If you insert in a material all above other channel, you can rotate it or flip it anywhere there. It tells you current size of just color because you can flip an UV because just I insert texture in a color, or you can insert texture in a reflectance if you want. And that's it. In this case, you can convert it to black and white if you want, or convert to RGB. First, here you can convert it to RGB. You can convert 8 bits, any other quality of the bits that you want. And bitmap properties, you can see them. It's a PNG or other DPI settings that you can see here. Okay, that's it. It has some tools that you insert texture and a UV. Please don't forget to visit our TutorialCells apps channel. In this channel, we are introducing Android application and learn how to use them.